Hey, welcome back everybody to Angel's Workshop. It's been a little bit since we uploaded a video. The holidays, things really do come up back to back to back. But anyways, we're going to do a handful of reviews today about some of the stuff that I have received and gotten over the last 2 to 4 weeks. One of them is this little apron here. I'll put the link in the description. I got it off Temu. I think it was like $7, $8. At first I was on there and it was like, is it really real? But yes, the stuff is real. The only bad part about Temu compared to Amazon is things really do come in 2 3 weeks, and for the most part, everything has been the way it was described. There was one thing that came in that was completely different than what I expected, but that was my fault. So I'll take the blame for that one. And then one thing came in incomplete. But anyways, this apron here is a solid like canvas material. It's super solid. I'll tell you what I like about it, and I'll tell you what I don't like about it. What I do like about it is all these little holes here. They're lined with a like a copper lining, so it's super sturdy, solid, so it's not going to rip through. It is adjustable, and it has, instead of tying it in the back, it has a little clip that just clips in, so that's useful. So once you set it to your preferred size, it fits real snug and real tight. I got it because as I was working, I was doing stuff out here, 2 3 hours going inside, and I was just full of sawdust, full of grease, and some stuff you can't avoid. But for the most part, I want it to be somewhat clean. Plus, it messes up your washer and dryer. But anyways, what I do like, I like the little rivets. Those are great. It has a lot of different pockets, and it has. I think this is just enough. At first, I was looking for something that had a lot of pockets because I wanted to carry everything with me. But you really can't carry everything with you, and if you even were able to carry everything with you, it's not as practical, and it's kind of bulky. So this is perfect right here. Right here, it has a little clip in here, so you can put your pen in there. Something that you just need really, really fast. That's really, really useful right here. It also has a pen holder right here. I have a little precision, little knife. I don't know if you'll see that in the description right there. It's a little knife. I use that just to open packages, things like that. So that's good. Um, it has a pocket right next to it, and at first I thought it was broken, but it's not. This little pocket here, this little thing flaps up. I still don't exactly know what the purpose of this is, but this actually fits my phone just perfect. So as I'm walking around, my phone's on here. So this is really good. It's really close to my chest, stuff that I'm using constantly, just going around my little shop here and doing things. So yeah, that's been really, really useful. Down here, it has, let me move my little, 3 little pockets. So I have a actual knife when I need to open something really, really big or something bigger, something that's a little bit more power. This little knife was off Temu as well. $2. I mean, $1.50. You can't really beat it. And it has a little carabiner on there, so you can clip it onto something if you really wanted to do it that way. But what I choose to do is just to keep it right down here. It's useful. I have a flashlight. Whenever I'm working on my truck, I'm in there. So yeah, flashlight's useful. And 2 really, really deep pockets. Let me step back for a second. These 2 pockets go down to about right here. So yeah, 2 really big pockets on the outside, and then 2 flaps in the front. What I've used this for when I was building some of these shelves and finishing them up, I was putting the larger screws on the right side and then the shorter screws on the on the left. So I had access to both of the screws. And then on here, if I had a square, something that I was using quite often, you could just put it on there. It does have a little thing in here. Forgot about that one. So it has one right there and one right here. So it actually has plenty of space. It's useful. Slightly slimming. So yeah, this has been really good. I've actually enjoyed it. At first I thought it looked kind of dorky, but I'm actually really enjoying the look of it, and I would definitely buy it again for $7 $8. You can't really beat it. So yeah, definitely a great buy. I would 100% recommend this one.